We have created a new kit. You can find it under the Pipe and Drape section of our website under Pipe and Drape Kits. It's called the Build Your Own Pipe and Drape Kit. And we really created this kit for the experienced pipe and drape buyer. What's different about this kit than some of our other kits is that you actually enter in the quantities that you want, and you're not tied to a pre-configured set of items. So it gives you really thousands and thousands of options of how you can build your kit, but it's all from one page, which is really cool. So the way this works is you're going to scroll down here and you're going to really go through step 1 through 5. So first you're going to start picking your uprights, then your bases, your drape supports, and then your drape if you want it. You don't have to buy any of these things, and then at the end you can review your configuration and add everything to your cart. So it's a great way to see everything that you want to buy on one product screen. So just do a little example with you. Let's just say that I am trying to buy two 40-foot sections of pipe and drape, and these 40-foot sections I want to put like parallel next to each other. So it's going to be basically 80 feet but broken into two 40-foot sections. So first thing I'm going to do is pick my upright. It gives you the list of options from every single one of our uprights, from fixed height, break apart, and telescoping. I'm going to keep it simple and go with our standard 1.5-inch fixed height upright. It's then going to pop a picture up of what you're looking at, and you can kind of pick the options here. So I need to go 8 feet tall, so I'm going to pick the 8-foot fixed. I'm going to get the castle top on these because castle top's awesome. I don't need black anodized. I'm just going to go with standard aluminum on this, and I know I'm going to need 5 for one side and 5 for the other, so I'm going to need 10 total of these 8-foot uprights. So I'm going to add 10 there, and then I'm going to my bases tab. So I'm on the bases tab. It's only going to show me the bases that will work with the upright I picked, so it does kind of help you out a little bit. I know that I really like the 15 by 15 square base, keep it all symmetrical. So here I'm going to pick the 3-inch pin. I'm also going to add the edge protector because this is going to be in a venue with hardwood floors, and I want to make sure the bases don't scratch. So edge protectors, I'm going to add 10 here. Then I'm going to go to my drape supports. You can pick from all of our drape support options as well. So from our standard, our premier, and then again some break apart telescoping options if you're trying to transport this in a car. I am not, so I'm going to go with our standard premier drape support option. I like to do pipe and drape in 10-foot sections, so I'm going to pick the 6 to 10 option. And I'm going to need 4 for each side, and I've got 2 of them, so I'm going to need 8 of these. So put an 8. And then I'm going to my drape. You don't have to pick drape. You can pick drape. I need drape for this, so I'm going to go with Poly Premier on this one. It tells you that with the recommended panels per 10-foot section right here, so 4 per 10-foot section. I've got 8 10-foot sections total, so I'm going to need 4 times 8, which is 32. I'm going to pick the 8-foot height. Again, it's going to give you the drape options based off the upright you picked, which is nice. I'm going to be boring and go with black. It changes to black here so you can see. And I need 32 of these. So now I'm ready to review my configuration. So it's going to show me everything that I've picked out. So now that I'm kind of looking at this, I'm like, you know what? I actually already have some uprights, so I don't need all 10 of these. I already have 4, so I just need 6. So I'm going to change this. So you can change things from this screen. So I'm going to change the quantity to 6 here, and then you can go back to your review configuration. I'm going to change it to 6. You see your total there, and you can add everything to your cart. So that's how the Build Your Own Kit works. We hope that you guys like it.